Hey, what's up everyone? It's your boy Altered Tech back again with a new video. In today's video, I want to talk to you guys on how to get the best GCam and XML file for your OnePlus 8T plus 5G for T-Mobile or for the unlocked OnePlus 8T. So to do this, guys, you're going to have to go ahead and go into Telegram. If you don't have Telegram, go ahead and install it. Now there is a chat. It's called the OnePlus 8/T/Pro. I'll post a link into the description so you guys don't get confused. So there's a pinned message up on top. I want you guys to double tap on that. And then I want you guys to go ahead and click on the other mods. And then you click open. And at this page, I want you guys to go ahead and find Wichaya. Go ahead, tap on that. Close this ad. And you're going to see 7.3.0.18 or Wichaya V3.1.1. I want you guys to go ahead and tap on that. Now, this is where I got confused. I actually clicked on the first one. What you guys want to do for the OnePlus 8T version, you want to go ahead and click on the middle one, which is the SnapCam. Go ahead, click on it, download it, and then you're good to go. Now, once you have this downloaded, it's going to show up like this. This is the GCam app. So once you have that downloaded, guys, I want you guys to go back into the Telegram group. Over here, I want you guys to go ahead and tap on this message again. And then tap on the XML channel. It's going to say NRG. This is NRG Cam version 2.0. And is this the right one? This is the right one. You want the NRG Wichaya 7.3.0.18 version 3.1.1 XML. Make sure this is the one you download. So to download it, click on that three buttons, click on save to download, and there you go. And I'm pretty sure you guys should know by now how to, go ahead and use an XML file. Yeah, you go to File Manager, Downloads. You're going to see the Wichaya file over here. Hold it. Three buttons. Tap on Copy, Internal Storage, and you're going to have to create a folder called GCam. And then you have to create a folder called configs7. It must be capital C, and it must be exactly like this. And then you go in here, and then you hit paste, and then you should be good to go. Now you gotta go ahead and open up the GCam app. Double tap any area on this black layer over here. What I do is I like to click somewhere in between here, like double tap. This comes up, and then you choose the NRG Wichaya. See, I was using the wrong versions. So you want the NRG Wichaya 7.3.0.18 V3.1.1 XML. Tap on that, tap on restore, and here you go. And it actually works with the wide angle lens as well. I've taken some really great photos, and I will show you guys all the photos I've taken in 4K just as soon as I'm done talking. So yeah, the main lens, there is no telephoto lens on this phone, so you're not going to get anything. As for the face, I have no idea what that's about. And as for the setting, well, once you download the XML and activate the XML, all the settings is pretty much taken care of. You have night sight, which works pretty good. Portrait mode works pretty good. Video mode works pretty good. Slow motion, photo sphere, panorama, time lapse. You have all the good stuff. And overall, guys, I'll tell you guys this. If I did not find this GCam app and I was not able to use it, I was getting ready to go ahead and give up on this OnePlus 8T because the stock camera app, I am not a big fan of it. It's just really terrible, and it does not come in clutch. There's times where I needed to use it and it did not register. I ended up taking a photo of my foot, or it just came out really blurry. It had some issues just focusing. So, I mean, it's a good, I shouldn't say good, it's a decent app, but coming from my OnePlus 7T is like you're getting the same exact, performance experience. But anyways, guys, so this is, the best GCam version for your OnePlus 8T. Let me know what you guys think about this down in the comment section below, and I do have some awesome photos I'm about to share with you guys. And be sure to hit that subscribe button and that like button. I will post these photos on my website. I'll post a link in the description for my website, so be sure and go ahead and check it out. This is Alter Tech signing out. Hope you guys have a great and wonderful day. Take care. Peace. Hey guys, it's Alter Tech continuing his testing of the OnePlus 8T plus 5G from T-Mobile. I'm using the latest GCam version. I'll post a video on this to give you guys a tutorial and all the extra details and whatnot. Beautiful. I could not get anything close to this quality with the stock camera app, so I'm super excited. I was thinking about getting a Pixel 5, but now that this is working, I'm gonna stick with this.